Hey guys, it's Candy. Welcome to my channel. So today we have another tutorial for you guys. We are doing some crochet braids and I am just parting off the sides and the back section of her hair because I am doing a versatile braid pattern. So to start off that braid pattern, we want to start braiding the sides of her hair in an upward direction. And guys, this makes all the difference. I've said it time and time again that braid pattern matters. Just putting four big braids in your hair and then crocheting it won't give you the same results as if you put the time, effort, and energy into creating a neat and a versatile braid pattern. So for today's look, we are using a braid that is on the bigger side, and so I am doing bigger well, not bigger, but more spaced out braids. So the closeness of the braids will be determined by the size of the hair that you're installing. So since I'm going with medium to large for today's look, I am making sure that the parts are not too close together because then you are going to end up with way too much hair on your head. All right, so once we are done with the braiding up and the front portion, then I'm gonna just braid all of the ones on the side and the back into one. Yes, that way we are going to end up with a nice, seamless, flat braid pattern when we're done. So once I'm done with that, and I'm starting to braid the rest of the hair backwards. And okay, so for this part, I am making the section where the parting will be. So I'm overlapping these two braids, and this will help to allow for the hair to be more full. When you install the crochet hair, you're not going to see a lot of gaps where the parting is all the way back. Yeah, you will see what I mean. All right, so just go ahead and continue braiding everything back and just merging each of the tail of the braid with the other one so that once you are done, you just will have one tail and then you just crochet that in between the braids to make everything nice and neat and flat. So this is the outcome of the braid pattern, guys. And now we're going to move on to the hair. The hair is Afri Naptural, and this is their boho box braids, color number 2. Yes, and it has 24 pieces in each. And as I said before, this is more like a medium large size. And I'm also using color for a little pop. And this is T1B30. All right, so to start out the process, you want to just go ahead and start at the beginning point of each braid, ensuring that every single one of those upward braids start off with one of your crochet here. All right, so a little bit more about the hair. As mentioned before, this is from Afri Naptural. It's 12 inches long. They're boho box braids. We did go ahead and use 5 packs for today's look. Yes, so bear that in mind. And each pack has 24 pieces. We had 4 of the dark color and 1 of the lighter color. The hair was purchased from the local beauty supply store, and you guys shouldn't have an issue finding it in your area. But if you do, I'm going to try to see if I can locate it on Amazon and link it down below for you guys so that you guys can have ease of access. All right. So far you can see that I'm only using the darker color. I'm only going to use the lighter color as I get, further up into the installation like now. Yes, so just about at the the ear mark, just where I get to her ear is where I start adding pieces because the other pieces of hair will pretty much be covered, so I didn't want to waste the color underneath. All right, and I strategically place my color, making sure that if I put one on one side, I put one on the other side to almost symmetrically balance them, because putting them randomly will make it look random. Yes. All right, so I'm continuing the process, guys. And then the only thing that you need to pay attention to is the fact that for one, because of the size of the braids, making sure that you do not pack them on top of each other on each row, because you're going to end up with way too much hair in your head. So as you can see, I'm making sure that I space them out nicely, maybe an inch apart. The only place where I will pack them right beside each other is on the parting, which I am now actually doing. So yeah, I will absolutely leave no space in between each of the crochet hair once I am on that row where her part will be. So now that I'm done with the installation, I am applying a bit of Cream of Nature Argan Oil Mousse just to help to give the hair a little bit of a shine and to help to define the curls and just to add a nice smell. So most of the times I do use it even if the hair doesn't require it because I absolutely love the smell. So this is the finished product, guys. You can see how nice and full in the back it is. You cannot see any of the cornrows, which is crucial, very important, yes. And it's nice and full in the front. I absolutely love the color combination, the T1B30 with the number 2 turned out absolutely stunning. So guys, this is the offering for today. I do hope you like it. I do hope it is something that you would try and you find this video helpful. You guys will be seeing in a second how the versatility of the braid pattern helps if she wants to pin her hair up in a ponytail. She absolutely can do so. Yes, look at that. Cannot tell me those are not individuals. But thank you guys for watching and I will catch you on my next one. Bye.